Holy moly. I'm going to go this way.
It flies!
Not very well.
No.
It's flying though. Oh man. Whew. Needs a bigger rudder. Yeah, it needs a bigger rudder. Ooh, it's hard to correct. I can't correct it. There it goes.
It's not as bad as I expected.
No?
No. I mean, it still slightly resembles a plane.
Oh, does it? Not so much, really.
Well,
Not so
if
much.
you folded a plane in half, that's what it would look like.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. There we go.
See?
Oh, I lost the tail. Yeah, the rudder was way too small. I couldn't turn it at all. I mean, I had it for a little bit, but like, yeah, the rudder was too small.
I mean, you did alright. The battery didn't explode.
Yeah. Let me see.
Motor still looks good.
The wing's okay.
The wing's alright, yeah.
Yeah. I can totally mount the wing on something else with a bigger rudder.
Oh my god, that was a big crash.
Is that a crazy crash, Pickle?
Yeah.